channel. My name is Donna and I am the Creole Crafter. Today I have one Dollar Tree hanging door sign. But first I would like to say thanks to all my subscribers. Thank you guys so much. You are so deeply appreciated. And thanks to all my new subscribers and welcome to the family. And if you're just stopping by today, thank you so much for watching. And I love you guys to the moon and back. Here are the supplies that you need. I have some, I think they're daisies, flowers from Dollar Tree. I also have, I went to Cricut Design and I cut out the word hello. And I also have some ribbon. All of the ribbon is from Dollar Tree. I also have some fat quarter fabric from Dollar Tree. And I have one of those spring Easter signs from Dollar Tree. Now, the first thing that I did was I took the tag and the hanger, the little carrot hangers off the sign, and I cut my fabric down to the size that I needed. And now we're going to go over to the paint shop and paint our two wooden pieces. So let's go. And I will be using apple barrel paint and nutmeg for the rectangular sign, and apple barrel paint and white for the round sign. Now that rectangular sign came from Dollar Tree. It comes in a pack, I think it's like 6 of them in a pack. But I'm only going to give it one coat, and I'm only going to give the round sign one coat of the white. And now that it has been painted and dried, both wooden pieces, the next thing that I did was I took my little finger sander and I distressed just the edges of the rectangle sign, and one part of the edge was a little rough, so I sanded it down and smoothed it out doing the distressing. And after that I took my fabric piece and I put it in position on the round sign, like halfway the sign, and I hot glued it. But first I hot glued a hem in the fabric so it can have a clean, professional looking line across the middle of the sign. I didn't want it to look like it had, the fringes that be on it when you cut the fabric. I didn't want you to, that to show. So I just hot glued a hem in it. I mean, if you sew, you can sew a hem in it, just to get that professional touch. And I just hot glued it on the part of the wood round that I wanted it. And I made sure that I stretched the material so I didn't have any wrinkles or like bubbly lines or air underneath the fabric after I was done gluing it. So what I did was I just made sure that I stretched the material, the fabric, really tight, and then hot glued it down. And I took my scissors, trimmed off the excess. And now it looks like it was painted on. The next thing that I want to do is I want to hot glue my rectangled piece in the center, and I'm gonna glue it, as you can see here, like halfway on the fabric and halfway on the actual wood, just to have it centered in the middle of the sign. I'm gonna take the word that I cut out of Cricut Design that says hello. I weeded it already, and I'm going to take the transfer tape, place it on top, and transfer it to the sign. And I know this DIY project looks like it has a lot of steps, but it was actually so easy and so much fun to create this. And if you don't have a cutting machine, Dollar Tree and Walmart or any craft store sell the peel and stick letters, and you can use those to spell out any word or any phrase you like. And I use I call it my Dollar Tree Cricut tool to smooth it out. And now I'm just using my Cricut tool to lift up the transfer tape. And I did miss 2 of the letters. I didn't weed out, so I went back and I did that. And now I'm going to take my ribbon, and I'll be creating some awareness bows. I'll create 3 awareness bows out of each one of the ribbons. And if you hear some barking in the background, that's Prissy, my dog. She's wanting to get in and hear where I am. And of course, she's gonna cry just like a baby until I let her in. And I have taken one of those daisies, taking it off up the stem, cut the little tip off the back of it, and hide glue it in the center of the bows. And this DIY project is done. I added a burlap ribbon hanger, and I didn't have any of that brown craft paper that I used to cover the back of my project, so I had some felt paper. I have lots of felt paper that I'm not doing anything with, so I used that to cover the back of it. And there it is, and I think it came out absolutely adorable. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Okay, thanks for watching. If there's anything in this video that you like, give me a big thumbs up. Also consider subscribing, and if so, don't forget the notification bell. Click it, drop down, click all, and YouTube will notify you. And always get lost in what you love. Bye-bye.